So this is your azimuth ring. This is your azimuth mirror, which you're going to use to reflect the sun rays. Place the azimuth ring on the gyro compass such that the sun rays are being reflected from the azimuth mirror to the narrow slit. Ensure that the sun rays are being reflected in the center of the slit. Ensure that the bubble level has the bubble in the center. Read the bearing of the sun from the compass rose. Note down the gyro heading of your current position, the magnetic heading of your current position, your GPS position, time and date. To find out the variation of your current position, click on the Info I button which is present on the egg disc. Then find for the variation symbol which is closest to your position and click on it. Then scroll down in the menu to find the magnetic variation of your position which is present. Let us understand variation. So in the charted variation we see 20, 20, 11 minutes and -1 degree. So this -1 degree means the negative sign indicates that this is west. If this was the positive sign, then we could say that this means 1 degree east. But since the charted variation is -1 degrees west, so we're going to keep this in mind. Next, we're going to see is this 11 minutes here. 11 minutes, that means 0 degrees and 11 minutes. Now how do we know it is east? Because there is no negative sign here. So if there was a negative sign here, then that would mean west. But since there is no negative sign, that means east. Now you are going to calculate for the month of 2024. Sorry, for the year 2024, right? So from 2020 to 2024, the annual change of variation was 11 degrees east, right? So let us see the calculation here. So from 2020 to 2021, the variation change was 0 degrees and 11 minutes east. So when you go from 2021 to 2022, you add 0 degrees and 11 minutes to get 0 degrees and 22 minutes. Then from 2022 to 2023, you add again 0 degrees 11 minutes to this and you get 0 degrees and 33 minutes, right? Now from going to 2023 to 2024, you add again and your final variation comes to 0 degrees 44 minutes east, right? So this is your annual change, right? Now from the 1 degrees that we found, 1 degree west that we found earlier, okay, we are going to apply this change, right? So 1 degree west, okay, plus 0 degrees 44 minutes east. So let's get our calculator. So 0 degrees and 44 minutes east, right? And for west we always subtract 1 degrees west, right? So your final answer is 0 degrees and 16 minutes west. My -0 degrees and 16 minutes west, you just click on this button to give you a whole round figure of 0.2 degrees west. Okay, so your final answer is 0.26 degrees